Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome today in the additional of today's newspaper of Thursday, March the 18th, 2021. We have here in this additional Sudoku with 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars. Then we have a tectonic with 4 stars, tectonic with 1 star, binary number 1, binary number 2. So total of 8 extra Sudokus, and I won't do them all. Only 4 of them I will solve. I will solve the 3 stars, the 4 stars Sudokus. An additional with 4 stars, and one binary puzzle. And the first Sudoku is a 3-star Sudoku, a number 2491. All right, 291. Yes, 2491. And this Sudoku has 25 printed digits. I have already counted the numbers, the digits, the printed digits. So let's get started. All right. Which number shall I pick? Pick. How about the number? The number. A lot of numbers. 5 in this column, 5 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. Then how about the 7 in this row, 7 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place for the 7 should be there. All right. Then the 8 in this row, the 8 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place for the 8 should be there. All right. In this big square, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6, so no 6 in these 3 boxes. There's 6, no 6 in those 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in the last column, so the column between, the only place for the 6 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 7 and a 9 are missing. 7 and a 9, we see here 7, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 9 goes there. All right, 7 in the last column, 7 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 7 should be there. Then, how about the number 7 in this column, 7 in the third column. So the column between, the second column, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 7 in this row, 7 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there. All right. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. And all the 7s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 7. All right. Let me see. 6 in this row, 6 in a row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in the third column, 6 in the first column, so the column between the second column. The only 2 places for the 6 should be here. Oh, there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here. Oh, there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 2 places for the 6 should be here. Oh, there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. And all the 6s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 6. All right. All right. Let me see. 1, 3, 4, 1, 3, 4, 8, 2, 1. Yes. No, 8, 2, 8, 2, 3, 8, 2. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is the number 9. We see here 9, no 9 in these 3 boxes. Here 9, no 9 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 should be there. Then. How about the 9 in the third row, 9 in the second row? So in the first row, the only 3 places for the 9 should be here, or there. We see here 9, we see there 9, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 9 should be there. All right. 2 and 4. We have a 4 in this row, 4 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place for the 4 should be there. 2 boxes left in this row for the numbers 2 and 4. Now we have a 4 there, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. All right. 4. Okay. 3 in this row, 3 in that row. So in the row between, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here. 3 in the third column, 3 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place for the 3 should be there. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in the second row. One of the missing number is a 3. We see here 3 in this big square, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. Here, so 3 boxes left for the 3 could be here, or there. We see here 3, no 3 there. Here 3, no 3 there. The only place for the 3 should be there. All right. Now I cannot continue with the 3. How about the numbers 1, 4, 2, and 8. Okay. All right. Let me think. 2 missing numbers in this row. For the numbers 2 and 5. 2 and 5 are missing. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 5 goes there. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 9. 4 and a 9. Okay. How about these 2 numbers in this first column? Those missing numbers are the 1 and the 5 are missing. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 8. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here and an 8 goes there. Then 1 number left in this last row for the number 1. Alright, 1 in the last row, 1 in that row. So the row between, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2, no 2 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 2, should be there. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 8 and 9. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here and 8 goes there. 1 number left in this row for the number 5. Alright. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 8 and 9. We have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 9 goes. And there. Alright. So we have a 9 in this column. 9 in that column, so the column between, the middle column. The only place for the 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 9. Alright. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 4. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 4 goes there. 1 number left in this column for the number 4. Alright. 2 numbers left in this column for the numbers 1 and 4. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 1 goes there. Then 2 numbers left in the middle column for the numbers 1 and 7. No, 7 we have. 1 and 3 are missing. 1 and 3. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 8. 2 and 8. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 2 and 8. Same for here, 2 and 8 in the third row, but we have a 2 here, so this cannot be a 2 anymore. This box should be a 2, and that box should be an 8. Alright, 1 box left in this big square for the number 8. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 8 and 2. We have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this first row for the numbers 2 and 6. 2 and 6. No. We have a 6 already. 2 and 5. 2 and 5. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 4. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 1 goes there. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 1 and 5. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Finish in 13 minutes. Alright, is this really a 3-star Sudoku? No, I think rather a 1 star. I'm very pleased with the time because for a 3-star Sudoku, I need 20 minutes or 20 to 30 minutes I need, yes, to solve a 3-star Sudoku. And this one I have solved in 13 minutes, so I'm very, very pleased with the time. And I like this Sudoku. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute with the second Sudoku. A 4-star Sudoku it will be. See you later. Bye-bye for now.